Okay, taking this thing out because people are saying this thing is interfering with that, but I doubt it. Highly doubt.
Can you even low sit?
Oh, I could.
Sit them on low, we can stay one.
Oh, it feels like it goes easier into low range. So who knows? Maybe. Oh, it's now on low. Let's see if this bloody thing pops out again. Shouldn't.
Does that come more left?
Yes.
Okay. Straighten out. Go right, go right. Okay. Go right. So. There's a step down, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. You can take it anyway.
Yes.
Back to your right.
Oops.
Back to your right.
More.
No, but you see, you mustn't look down there, no? You must look ahead and visualize where you're going. Because there's a, well, okay, you can come straighten out now. There's a rock here, okay, but you missed it. You must look there ahead of you, okay?
Yeah.
Always about 3-4 meters ahead of the bonnet. Because you're not always going to have somebody to
Yes.
okay?
I know. Yes, it's overgrown.
Yeah, look, I'm going to have it cut. I had all those little bushes chopped out. You can come to your left.
Yeah.
Had it widened here a little bit
Okay.
for the F-tray, obviously.
Yeah.
You can see my tracks.
Yes.
All that you do is you just watch there.
What?
That stone there on your right.
Yes.
Just watch that one come a little bit to your. That's it. Yeah, that's it. You must just miss it. Okay.
Yeah. So looking okay that side.
You find this side, okay?
Ah, the dog's taking a shit right next to me.
Okay. Just be careful.
Yes.
now.
Yeah, I see
You
it.
go a little bit wider.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops.
Say, there we go.
Like.
Okay, now at this turn, take it wide-ish.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm gonna get up and guide you down.
Okay.
Whoa, let me get down. Okay. All right. Stop coming this side. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Cut this corner.
Mind grab him.
Cut the corner. Cut the corner. Come more.
I can't.
Can't. Okay. That's full so. Okay. That's fine. Fine.
How's that side looking? I might have to reverse a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Step down.
Yes.
Come. Now. on this rock,
Ja.
okay? And don't worry, you'll be a little bit like this, but it'll okay?
Straight.
Ja. Ja. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just take it slow. Yes. Okay. Just step down, just slowly. Come back this side a bit. Yes, yes. Lovely. This side, this side, this side. Right. I say.
Oh.
No, 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 no. Look, yeah, that's it. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Okay, right. No, 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 no. Okay. No, 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 no. Too much. Too much. Come forward. And then turn. Turn, 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 turn. Right, right. Right. Come here. Then, right. Good. Okay, okay. Alright.
Phew.
You've got to break this rock, yeah.
Okay. Yes.
You're not going to get through.
No.
Okay. I've turned the air around, yeah. Daai kant.
Ja.
Ja. Go up. Then it forces it and then it shoots
Okay.
right to the rock.
Ja.
It's coming.
Almost there.
Okay. Yeah. Tuck that rock.
Ah.
Hey. Roll.
Oh, kak, I know.
Hey. I can do.
Huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Ja.
mate.
Ja?
Ek moet gou 'n bietjie hier.
Okay. How's that side looking? Fine.
Ja, ja. Straight. Outside. Well, no, don't come this
No.
way. Like I say, you want to keep to your side.
Yeah.
More. Sharp. There's rocks here. Outside. Okay.
Okay.
Whoa. All right. Now, that way.
I am.
Outside.
Come on, dog. What a view. I'm not gonna go down here. Yeah.
You see, sis?
Yeah.
You're gonna come this side. One wheel here. We're gonna
Yeah.
put some rocks there. Gonna chop that bit off next to the tree.
Yeah,
there.
that
Okay.
one. I'm gonna fit
And
like
chop
a.
whatever we can there.
Yes.
Pack rocks.
Yeah. Lots
So
of
you
rocks.
Come over these rocks, okay?
Yeah. If you.
This is like a serious rock climbing thing, eh?
Shit, yeah.
It's quite technical.
It is, but at least there are shitloads of rocks around we can use. So.
Now you see, then we get down to that bottom step,
Yeah.
and there, that's where we have to start.
We have to
going.
go
Then
that way. Or
there,
that way.
To your right, yeah.
Uh,
And that's where we need to build a bridge.
oh, yes, I remember.
There, yeah.
There.
It's at about 1.2 meter step down.
Okay.